Are you happy?
Yes. Look at it. It's still bleeding.
Nice. A lot of blood.
Woohoo!
There's no better thing than you and me. We are free. Enjoy this little world. Come with me.
Okay guys, good morning. We're now walking in Barcelona. We put the bags at the hostel, so that's very kind of them. Because now we can explore Barcelona without the backpacks on, so that's very nice. I feel light as a feather. And we're gonna have some breakfast and then explore Barcelona, so let's do this. What are you going to do?
I'm going to take a new tattoo.
A new tattoo. Tattoo from Scorpion.
Yes. With a race.
The whole trip she is blah 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 in my head. And now we're in Barcelona. So we're gonna walk in and put the tattoo on Sam. Where?
Right here.
Right here on your arm.
Yeah.
Okay.
We need to go that way. ¿Dónde está la que?
Oh my god. It's one hell of a scorpion.
Yeah. Woo-hoo.
Okay. Let's do this. You do this. Good?
Yeah. Feel bad I didn't go for the shadows.
You like it?
Yeah.
Because if you don't, now it's too late.
I really like it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Let's also sell the cleaning and the.
No, because we run out on the weekends.
Oh,
Yesterday was bank holiday and they didn't deliver it. No, Monday was bank holiday here in Barcelona.
Oh yeah.
So, but we write down what you buy and everything.
Yeah, great. I think at the pharmacy. Yeah?
Yes.
Are you happy?
Yes. Look at it. It's still bleeding.
Nice. A lot of blood.
Woohoo!
Scorpio. Crazy. Okay, and
So
now
we're going to find the
back to
Pharmacia.
yes, and we have to find a spot to sleep. Let's do this. We're now at the beach at Barcelona. Crazy. Yeah. The funny thing about Barcelona is you have the docks, so you have a lot of boats and everything. You have the city, and then a 10-minute walk you are at the beach. You have everything here in Barcelona. So it's amazing, huh?
Yeah.
It's great.
Everything is really close.
Yeah, really close. You got all kinds of vibes here. Yeah. Nice. We're gonna eat something, we're hungry. Do you know what you're gonna get?
Not yet.
Tapas.
Patatas bravas.
Patatas bravas, yeah, me too. Welcome to the pub crawl in Barcelona. All kinds of people sharing their love. Oh shit! We're off at the pub crawl, and yeah, it's gonna be amazing. The vibe is good. So yeah, we're gonna party tonight a little bit. You have to have some fun. So yeah, let's go party. I see you at the bar. Okay, you guys, we're now walking back to the hostel and going to sleep. It was really fun. We made some friends. When you go to Barcelona, go to the hostel Black Swan. A lot of fun people and everything. I had a few drinks, so I'm not really good in my words in English, but yeah. Tomorrow we're gonna couchsurf or we're gonna hitchhike to France, so let's do this. We're back on the road. We're gonna leave Barcelona. We're gonna walk like 30 minutes, then trying to hitchhike to Girona and then to France. It's very difficult to hitchhike in Spain. It's very difficult to hitchhike in a city, and we're in a city in Spain. So yeah, we will see how that goes, but we're trying our best. In the south of Spain it was very hard to hitchhike because they didn't know the concept, but I think here in the north they know it. They know the concept a little better, so I think we'll be alright. But we will see. Another adventure. We're leaving Barcelona. Barcelona, you were great, Fred. Thank you for hosting. And now back on the road. We're now walking to a hitchhike spot, just a little bit outside of Barcelona. Hitchhiking out of a big city is very difficult. But we don't care, let's do this. Okay guys, we tried to hitchhike to Girona. I was standing here with the sign, so the people come here and they can stop here and then around the corner, but a lot of people go straight ahead, so we went all the way back there somewhere around the corner, and there was a stoplight, but we think we have a better spot now with a gas station, so we can ask people. We're now hitchhiking for 1.5 hours, I think, something like that, and still nothing. So we're gonna move places and maybe we have more luck there. We did it, guys. Our first hitchhike in Spain. I have to say Catalonia. Two very nice people. They hitchhiked and traveled themselves when they were young. We're now at this gas station. We're now like 94 kilometers from the border of France. So yeah, we're gonna hitchhike maybe with a truck or something, because trucks go long way. We think we go to Paris. We're not sure yet, but we will see.
There's no better thing